The kumara is a integral part of the Taku Hoe kaupapa, really referencing our connections via the kumara. The kumara vine, as some people know it, the kumara is a common thread really that binds us all together, especially within the Pacific Rim space, and a specific emphasis on its sweetness. And so us as Indigenous peoples having an opportunity to share our individual sweetness, but also in a collective context. So he kumara awa, he kumara mātou, and celebrating that sharing of essentially Indigenous knowledges in an arts context. Within the Taku Hoe context, the reference there is to Te Karakia Tarangi Tiraua, and that was specifically for the Horauta Karakia. With that particular kōrero, kahukura who came over to Aotearoa Rainbow, then travelled back to Hawaii Nui on board the Waka Horauta, which belonged to Toi at that time, to go back and gather those tubers to bring back to Aotearoa and share. One of the many versions of Te Tainga Mai Te Kumara. The importance is that we are participating in that return journey to share our kumara representations. I think that as part of the exhibition offering that we have, that show will be curated around the ritual of encounter, or the pōhiri process, and of course a big part of that process is the hākari, hei whakanoa i te kaupapa. So there is a collective installation, sculptural installation, that will feature in that hākari space, and each artist has been invited to create and submit their own kumara representation, really, which is a direct reference to their individual sweetness and what they have to bring and share with the kaupapa. Everything we do it with our mokopuna in mind. There's a responsibility we have to the next 7 generations. So FESPAC gives us the opportunity to build that information and add to the layers of kōrero and whakapapa that opportunities like FESPAC bring. We as artists, as practitioners, will become the point of reference for the future, for our mokopuna.